Hello, this is how to use Amazon Prime to sub to people on Twitch. Now, if I sent you this video, it's probably because I know you have Amazon Prime and you're not subscribed to me, so yeah, follow the steps. So what you'll want to do first is go to primegaming.com. Once you're there, what you're gonna do is sign in, and then it will prompt you to sign in with your Amazon accounts. So sign in with your Amazon account. Now at this point, you guys are probably thinking to yourself, I do not know my Amazon Prime account password. So what I would suggest you do is reset the password, because you probably will not remember it. Now, there's another set of people that might have a similar issue. They'll be like, dang, I use my mom's Amazon Prime account and I don't know the password. So what I would like you to do is like message your mom or your parents or your dad or uncle or something and ask them for the Amazon Prime account password, because they're probably not using their Prime Gaming benefits. Like, let's be for real. So do that, and then you'll get the password, right? Remember your logins. If you don't remember your login, reset the password. If it's not your account, ask for the password. If they get mad at you for asking for the password, I don't know what to tell you, man. Once you're done with that, you'll be signed in with Prime, and what you want to do is go here where your username would be here, and go to manage Twitch account. And what you're gonna want to do is connect to a Twitch account. Click the connect to a Twitch account here, and it will prompt you to like connect to your Twitch account, right? It will take you to like a page that looks like this. What you want to do is like log into your Twitch account. Now you might encounter a problem where you don't remember your login. I would suggest using the same method you used to fix your Prime account and reset the password. You know, maybe make your passwords more rememberable, right? If that's your issue. Another issue may be that you don't have an account, and I sent this video to you hoping that you would make an account. In that case, go to sign up. It's really easy to make an account. You can do it quickly. I would recommend make your password something you can remember, you know, so you can like sub every month. If you've been following along with the video so far, your Prime Gaming section where you go to your account should like look something like this, where you're logged into Prime Gaming and you have a Twitch account linked like right here. Yeah, that means you're on the right track. So what you want to do is go to twitch.tv, right? And then basically you want to search up the account you're trying to subscribe to. So for me, I'm gonna try to subscribe to Silcardo. Yeah, I would recommend subscribing to that person. If you're like a random person watch this video, this is a good person to use your Prime on, you know. So what you want to do is go to, it will say subscribe here if this is your first time. Go to like subscribe or resubscribe. You're gonna, don't look at my sub count. The subs are low right now, but I promise they'll go up. So what you want to do is go here and then click use Prime sub. And then once you click use Prime sub, it should say that you have a free 1 month sub, right? If you didn't click use Prime sub, it will say $5.99. You're not paying anything, it's free. Click the use Prime sub and it will give you a free 1 month sub. Subscribe with Prime and you get tons of benefits. Yeah, you can't do this on like the mobile app. So yeah, make sure you go on a web browser, by the way, and just like click here, sub, be happy with it, you know? So yeah. Sub to Silcardo, guys. Now, as long as you have Amazon Prime, you can get a free sub every month. Unless you have the free trial, then you can only use it once. But yeah, just make sure to like continue to sub whenever it expires, because you can't auto renewal with a Prime sub. So yeah, you have to do it manually, but like do it. If you made it to the end, you still can't manage to subscribe, you know, with your Amazon Prime, then you know, do me a favor and at least subscribe on YouTube, bro. All you need is like the freest account ever.